Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build a schedule optimizer app with Airtable automations. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Airtable account. Open the base where you want to create the schedule optimizer. Click on the Automations tab located in the upper right corner. Select Create an automation to begin. Choose a trigger for your automation. For a schedule optimizer, you might select when a record enters a view. Set up the specific view that will trigger the optimization process. Next, click on Add Action to define what happens after the trigger. Select Update Record to modify your schedule records automatically. Choose the table that contains your scheduling information. Pick the specific record field that needs updates. Set the values you want to change based on your logic. For more complex optimizations, consider adding multiple actions. You can include sending notifications or creating new records. After adding your actions, click on Test Automation to ensure everything works correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. Once satisfied, toggle the automation to on to activate it. Your schedule optimizer is now set up and running. Monitor the automation periodically to ensure it's functioning as intended. Tweak the settings as needed to improve performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.